Muslim Spain, also known as Al-Andalus, refers to the period of Islamic rule on the Iberian Peninsula, which includes present-day Spain and Portugal from the early 8th century until the late 15th century. This era is known for its rich and diverse cultural, scientific, and architectural achievements. We will talk about how Islam came about in the Iberian Peninsula. Firstly, the Islamic conquest of the Iberian Peninsula began in 711 AD when the Berber commander Tariq ibn Ziyad led an army across the Strait of Gibraltar and defeated the Visigothic king Roderick at the Battle of Guadalete. The Caliphate of Córdoba started here. The Umayyad Caliphate of Córdoba, established in 756, became the dominant Muslim state in the region. Córdoba, its capital, was one of the most advanced and culturally vibrant cities in Europe during this time. The Muslims brought along with them things that Europeans did not know about, which we will look into. The cultural exchange. Al-Andalus was known for its cultural pluralism, where Muslims, Christians, and Jews coexisted and often collaborated in various fields, including science, philosophy, medicine, and literature. This period witnessed a great translation movement, where many classical Greek and Roman texts were translated into Arabic and preserved for future generations. Architecture. The architectural legacy of Muslim Spain is remarkable. The Great Mosque of Córdoba and the Alhambra Palace in Granada are prime examples of Islamic architecture that still stand today. Advancements in science and medicine. Al-Andalus played a crucial role in preserving and advancing the knowledge of antiquity. Scholars in Muslim Spain translated classical Greek and Roman texts into Arabic, preserving and transmitting them to Europe. They made significant contributions in fields such as astronomy, mathematics, medicine, and chemistry. Philosophy and thought. Muslim Spain was a center for philosophical thought. The works of Islamic philosophers like Averroes, Ibn Rushd, and Avicenna, Ibn Sina, were studied and expanded upon in Al-Andalus. Literature and poetry. Arabic literature thrived in Al-Andalus. Prominent poets such as Ibn Zaydun and Ibn Hazm produced beautiful poetry. The region also saw the production of many historical and philosophical works. Agriculture and technology. The Muslims introduced advanced irrigation techniques, including the construction of sophisticated aqueducts and water supply systems. They also cultivated new crops and improved agricultural practices. Tolerance and coexistence. Al-Andalus is often cited as a place of relative religious tolerance during its heyday. Muslims, Christians, and Jews lived and worked together, and scholars from different backgrounds often collaborated. We can learn a lot from how they tolerated each other in today's world and what is happening around the world. We are going a bit off topic, but some things are just so connected that we need to bring to light, such as it was the Europeans who kicked out the Jews, and they found safe haven in Muslim Spain, and they thrived. If you would to ask any historian, where did the Jewish community thrive the most? They would tell you in Muslim Spain and under Ottoman rule. Jews have lived in the Muslim world for as long as Islam has existed. Anti-Semitism is the crime of the West. You have historic Jewish communities in the Muslim world, but there is no comparison like that in the West. Zionism is an inherently racist project because the idea was to dispose the Jews from the West. This topic alone. We could talk for hours, but I thought I should share some information about this. I apologize for going off topic. Trade and commerce. Al-Andalus served as a bridge between Europe and the Muslim world, facilitating trade and cultural exchange. Cities like Córdoba and Toledo became important commercial centers. Influence on European Renaissance. The knowledge and culture of Muslim Spain had a significant impact on the European Renaissance. Many of the texts preserved and translated in Al-Andalus were later reintroduced to Europe, helping to spark the intellectual and cultural revival. Legacy in language. The Arabic language left an enduring imprint on the Spanish language. Many Spanish words have Arabic origins, and the influence can be seen in the architecture, cuisine, and culture of Spain. We will continue to discuss more in the next video. Please subscribe for more interesting information.